Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select your language on the Skype application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the chats icon down below so that you are going to be at your home page, and tap on your profile icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down, go to the Manage section and click on Settings. Tap on General, which is the second option, and click on Language. Here you can select the language of the application. There are a vast variety of options, so all you have to do is clicking on the relevant one and press the button Apply down below, thereby updating the language of the application. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.